Welcome back everybody to the lecture on the cash flow statement. And as I mentioned the last time when we finished the cash flow statement lecture in the tutorial, we basically finished the three major financial statements and then can build up upon this by further diving into other topics which are, let's say, partly related to this. And of course there are other topics in this course which are not too much related to the financial statements. But things like income statement items of income, expenses, profit, but also the elements of the balance sheet and also partly of what we learn today will come back a lot of times again in this course. So that's why let's start now with the cash flow statement and with the learning goals that we have ahead of us. First of all, we try to understand the main features of the cash flow statement, and for this again I've brought you, let's say, a real life example. Then we have to define what cash is and what cash equivalents are. Furthermore, we have to look at the general layout of the cash flow statement. And then finally, we're going to learn about the indirect method. There's a direct method and an indirect method. The indirect method is used more, is sometimes a little bit more difficult, but we still have a look at this. And with these four learning goals together, we understand what a cash flow statement is, what it is composed of, and how we can set it up. So this is basically what we do, and then we can get started with the first thing, the main features of the cash flow statement.